If your English is correct but still sounds tense or unnatural, this practice is for you. Many learners think fluency comes from speaking faster. It doesn't. Fluent English comes from clarity, rhythm, and calm repetition. In this practice, you will not only repeat sentences, you will learn simple rules that make English sound more natural without memorizing grammar. These rules change how you speak. Relax your shoulders, relax your jaw, take a slow breath in, and breathe out. Listen first, then speak with me. Here is the first rule. Fluent English is not fast English, it is clear English. I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a rush. I can take my time. I can take my time. When you slow down, your pronunciation becomes clearer and your confidence increases. That sounds good. That sounds good. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Here's the second rule. English is spoken in thought groups, not word by word. This means you don't need to stress every word. You stress the important ones. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Notice how the sentence flows. This is how native speakers speak. Here's the third rule. Pauses are not mistakes. Pauses are part of natural speech. I'm allowed to pause. I'm allowed to pause. Pausing makes my English sound confident. Pausing makes my English sound confident. Many learners rush because they are afraid of silence. But silence gives your words strength. That makes sense. That makes sense. Here's the fourth rule. Your mouth learns English faster than your brain. When you repeat sentences out loud, your muscles remember the rhythm. I don't need to translate in my head. I don't need to translate in my head. I speak one sentence at a time. I speak one sentence at a time. This is why shadowing works so well. Here is the fifth rule. Simple sentences sound more confident than complicated ones. I don't need difficult words. I don't need difficult words. I need clear words. I need clear words. People understand me when I speak calmly. People understand me when I speak calmly. Natural English sounds relaxed, not forced. I'll get back to you soon. I'll get back to you soon. No problem at all. No problem at all. Take your time. Take your time. Each time you repeat this practice, your fluency improves. Your pronunciation becomes smoother. Your confidence grows naturally. I trust my voice. I trust my voice. I don't need to be perfect. I don't need to be perfect. I just need practice. I just need practice. Take one more slow breath in and breathe out. If you repeat this practice daily, your English will begin to feel easier and more natural. If you want more calm, confidence-building English practice with real speaking rules like this, you'll find many more videos on this channel. Practice a little every day and let your English flow.